Are you tired of boring beige? You're not alone. Beige is safe, it's neutral, it's fine. If you're looking around your home and you're thinking, this just isn't it anymore, I've got the fix. Today I'm sharing 6 incredible paint colors that will bring your walls back to life. Whether you want something calm and sophisticated, or maybe bold and moody, these colors will transform your space without going back to gray. So I got a bunch of feedback in past videos about people wanting more color, and also more people not really being into this whole warm neutral beige phenomena that's going on right now. So this is the video for you guys who want a little more color in their home. Some of these choices might be a bit dramatic as an all over the house choice, but if your boring beige room needs a change, these are awesome options to take a look at. And if you need some personalized color advice beyond these videos, check out this right quick. Are you looking for a full service online color consultation? Check out the link below because we are offering a personalized color consultation service with Maria, our full-time consultant. You can have a back and forth communication to make sure you're picking the right colors for your space. Details are all below. Welcome back to Top 6 Saturday, where I talk about 6 of my favorite or least favorite things in painting, color, and design. Today is all about 6 colors to replace your beige walls in your home, and we're opting for a little more color this time. Let's get into it. Number 1, Palladian Blue. Color code HC144 is for the people that are looking for a fresh, airy escape from beige. It's a soft, almost ethereal blend of blue and green with just a hint of gray to tone it down and settle it in ever so slightly, which keeps it from feeling too pastel or juvenile or childish. This color works beautifully in areas like living rooms, especially your bedrooms, bathrooms of course, but even hallways if you want to create an effortlessly serene atmosphere. Maybe you're into the coastal vibes. This is perfect for that. It also pairs perfectly with warm wood tones, which helps balance things out really well, making it a great choice if you want to modernize your space without losing that cozy feel. Number 2, Saybrook Sage, color code HC114. If beige was an attempt at warmth, but ended up feeling a bit banal, Saybrook Sage brings that same warmth, but with some personality. It's a soft, organic green with subtle gold undertones mixed in, making it feel inviting and fresh and kind of timeless as well, all at once. Unlike cool-toned greens that can sometimes feel a bit stark, this one just has enough warmth to complement wood floors, earthy decor, and even if you had like modern black accents or something, it's going to work. If you want something calm and grounded, but still interesting, this is the way to go. And if you're a fan of this channel, if you're already subscribed, you already know I love green. So, number 3, Nightfall, color code 1596. Want to go bold? Well, Nightfall is a deep, dramatic, cool blue-gray with a hint of violet as well, and it's perfect for creating cozy, high-end spaces. This is an excellent alternative to beige because it does something that beige could never do. It makes a room feel very intentional and dramatic. Instead of fading into the background, Nightfall creates a rich, moody atmosphere that pairs beautifully with things like brass fixtures or even gold, warm wood tones, crisp white trim, or if you wanted a dramatic area to color wash on the walls, trim, and ceilings, maybe like a powder room, for example, or a really dramatic office, this could be an awesome choice. If you've ever wanted to try a darker color but weren't sure where to start, this one is kind of a safe bet but still feels very adventurous. Number 4, French Beret, 1610. Looking for something neutral but not quite as boring as beige? French Beret is a deep, stormy charcoal with blue undertones, giving it just enough depth to feel elegant and modern without going full-on black. This is one of those colors that can work in nearly any room, whether you want to make a statement in a dining room, create a very cozy cave-like bedroom retreat, or give your living space a more sophisticated designer feel. And unlike beige, which can sometimes make a room feel flat, French Beret adds dimension. It shifts beautifully throughout the day depending on the lighting, making it endlessly interesting. And the beautiful thing about these darker colors is they will expand a space. They're going to make a room feel bigger because they'll absorb light, which will make your walls look like they're receding into the distance. It's pretty fun. Number 5, Grant Beige. Now, if you still want a neutral that's warm and inviting, but beige is perhaps a bit too pale, Grant Beige is the perfect contemporary alternative. It's actually a tan-based neutral with just a touch of gray, making it kind of grayy, but it also feels very elegant and adaptable without veering into that dreaded heavy yellow undertone territory that old school beiges tend to have. It's not too warm, not too cool, and it works beautifully with both traditional and modern spaces. I've been talking about this color a lot lately. It has been one of my recent favorites. If you're looking for a fail-safe neutral that still feels fresh and intentional, this is the way to go. Number 6, Water's Edge, 1635. A deep, dusty blue that's very sophisticated, rich, and full of personality. This is for those of you who want a moody yet refined and timeless rather than trendy kind of look, because beige, pretty one-dimensional, really. It is a blank canvas color that is meant to just hide in the background. But Water's Edge brings depth, it brings contrast, while still maintaining this calm, livable quality. It pairs beautifully with organic, natural textures. If you want that bright chantilly lace white trim, I actually think it would work in this case, and even warm brass accents, making it a stunning choice for a modern look.